Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an installation video of an indoor water featuring wall lighting. The package includes one accessory pack, one instruction manual, one main product, and one water feature light cover. First, remove the metal tube from the bulb holder. Next, please remove the fixing screws on both sides of the base and store them properly. Please remove the metal plate securing the product to the base and store it properly. Place the product mounting metal plate in the desired location and mark it, then drill holes. Hammer in the two nail holders, then install the product fixing, the metal plate and two metal screws. Please connect the power cord of the product base to your power supply. Please install the main body of the product and reinstall the two fixing screws that were previously removed. Reinstall the metal tube of the light bulb that was previously removed. Please install your own light bulb into the bulb slot of the product. Finally, please install the lampshade. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.